Welcome to this guided meditation. Tonight, we're exploring something many people carry silently: the weight of people-pleasing and the emotional overwhelm that follows. That feeling when you're stretched thin, pulled in too many directions, trying to make everyone around you comfortable while your own needs quietly disappear in the background. If that resonates with you, you're exactly where you need to be. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Allow your spine to lengthen naturally, upright, grounded, but not rigid. Let your hands rest in your lap or at your sides. We'll take one slow breath together. Inhale gently through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth as your shoulders release downward. Let your breath ease into its natural rhythm. You don't need to guide it, just let it happen. As you settle, notice the weight of your body. Feel how the surface beneath you supports you completely. You don't have to hold yourself up. You don't have to earn this support. You're allowed to rest. Bring your awareness to your shoulders, your jaw, your chest. Notice how much tension you've been carrying, the kind that builds after days, months, or even years of trying to be everything to everyone. You don't have to fix anything yet. Just notice. Now gently bring your focus to the part of you that tries so hard to keep peace, to avoid disappointing others, to make sure everyone feels okay, even if it means you are not. Think about how quickly you say yes, even when your body whispers no. How often you take responsibility for someone's mood, expectations, or reactions, even when it was never yours to carry. Notice what happens in your body when you imagine putting yourself first, even just once. Does something tighten? Does guilt appear? Do you feel like you're letting someone down? You're not alone. People-pleasing isn't a flaw. It's a survival pattern. Underneath the urge to please, there is almost always a fear. The fear of being rejected. The fear of being misunderstood. The fear of being seen as difficult, selfish, or too much. And sometimes there's an even deeper belief. If I'm helpful, agreeable, and easy, maybe I'll stay safe. Maybe I'll be loved. But this belief comes with a cost. You disappear a little every time you silence yourself to make someone else more comfortable. This meditation isn't about blaming yourself. It's about recognizing the truth. Your worth was never meant to be earned through exhaustion. Think about how compassionate you are with others, how you encourage, support, and show up for people you care about without hesitating. Now imagine directing just a fraction of that compassion back toward yourself. Imagine receiving the same understanding you freely offer to everyone else. You deserve that. you always have. When you allow yourself to receive rest, support, boundaries, space, you're not becoming selfish. You're becoming whole again. Receiving is not weakness. It's self-respect. Bring to mind one situation where you said yes, even though your body wanted to say no. See it clearly. Feel the emotions attached to it. Now imagine yourself in that same moment, but this time you pause. You breathe. You check in with your heart, and you say, I need a moment, or I'm not able to right now, or simply, no. Notice what comes up. Fear, relief, shame, power. Whatever appears is welcome. You are practicing honesty, something your inner self has been craving for years. You belong in your own life, not on the sidelines, not in the background. Every time you choose yourself, even in a small way, you reclaim a piece of your identity that people-pleasing took from you. This isn't about abandoning others. It's about returning to yourself. Let that truth settle in your body. Feel it in your chest. Feel it in your breath. Begin to deepen your breath gently. Feel your body softening, your nervous system settling. Remember this. You don't have to earn your place in the world by overextending yourself. You don't have to shapeshift to be accepted. You don't have to absorb the emotions of others to feel safe. You are allowed to take up space. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to choose yourself. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me. Before you move on with the rest of your day, I want to gently invite you to explore more of what's here on this channel. You'll find other guided meditations, quiet reflections, and honest conversations created to support you in reconnecting with yourself and living with more clarity, softness, and self-trust. If this practice resonated with you, consider leaving a like, sharing it with someone who might need it, or subscribing if you'd like to continue this journey together. And if you turn on notifications, you'll be alerted whenever a new meditation is released. Thank you for spending this time with me. Your presence here truly matters.